5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You guys already see the video, right? It looks so scary, isn't it? So that's why I'm here to speak about the important and the essential role of OSHA in the construction workers. Here we go. But before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nova Zrina Bettina Azami and I'm from ECELC 5902. So here we go. Look at these pictures. These pictures are the example of the incidents caused by their workers' carelessness in not applying OSHA in their daily life. For your information, workplace incidents and their associated statistics highlight an alarming frequency of accidents, especially in constructions, which is one of the most hazardous professions and its high rate injuries and fatalities. Hazard can occur at any moment in our life, whether we expect it or not. To address this or to prevent these matters, OSHA was established around 1971 to safeguard workers by enforcing safety standards, significantly transforming workplace safety practice globally. In Malaysia, Occupational Health and Safety Act 1994, OSHA emphasizes a collaborative approach, which is both employer and employee take a responsibility to make the environment workplace safety and maintaining it. This means when we understanding and we applying the OSHA guideline or OSHA regulation in our life, it will reduce the fatalities and the injuries around the workers and make this safety workplace environment around the workers. So let's move to the first point on the essential role of OSHA in the construction workers. But before that, the question is, why construction workers need to know the OSHA and what OSHA do to make the workers' safety? So here we go. But before that, I want to speak to you guys that the important OSHA to the construction workers is to reduce the risk of accidents. This is because OSHA has set the strict guideline to all the workers, especially in the construction site safety, including the use of PPE, personal protective equipment, the safer operation machinery, and the proper procedure to all the job scope. These are measures to make the safer environment around the workers and reduce the injuries and fatalities, especially in these hazardous professions. Right. The important thing that we should know about the OSHA is the standard and regulation that OSHA has set for all the workers, right? So, one of the most standard and regulation that includes that covered by the OSHA is the fall protections. For in the height 6 feet above, OSHA mandate to use the rubber fall protections tailored to the specific task. The system includes the safety fence to block the dangerous edges, the safety net to catch the worker that even to the fall, and the harness system to ensure the stable workers stable entry point. These standards also are designed to make the worker not exposed to unnecessary risks, especially work in the elevated locations. Next is the standard and regulation that covered by OSHA is scaffolding safety, which is essential for preventing structural collapse and worker faults. This means, in these standards, OSHA was set the detailed guideline that govern every stage of this scaffolding, from the design, the inspection, and the maintaining of the scaffolding. For the example, scaffolding needs one supervisor that always inspection on the scaffolding structure to identify the weakness of the structure, especially such as like damaged plank and loose connections. These standards are very critical if we not follow the strict guideline, because it will make more injuries and fatality if the building have collapsed. So also have a training and education for all the construction workers. One of the training that OSHA will provide is ongoing safety training and equipment operation training, which is in their ongoing safety training. It includes the proper lifting technique, safe machinery handling, and effective emergency response procedure to manage the incident quickly. And for the example, if for protection training, first aid training, and others. So in this training, OSHA foster a culture of safety where workers are prepared themselves to protect themselves and others. So next is equipment operation training, right? So in the equipment operation training, so OSHA mandate that in this training, the worker has received the specialized in covering of inspection to identify the mechanical issues, proper operation procedure, and safe shutdown to all the machinery to prevent the hazard. You know something about the essential role OSHA in to reduce the risk of the accidents. Let's find more detail and let's find furthermore detail about the essential OSHA in the construction workers in health protections. So here we one of the most critical health protection measure is the provision of personal protective equipment PPE. OSHA, in this case, OSHA has mandated to all the employer supply the necessary PPE to the workers, such as like glove, safety glasses, helmet, and protecting clothing. So in this item, this is for essential. This item is essential for shielding or protecting the workers from physical injuries, chemical substance, and environment danger they encounter on the construction site. So, as for example, is falling debris, sharp object, and hazardous chemicals. So PPE serves the first line of defense against the workplace injuries and toxic exposure, and this will ensure that the workers are well protected in the dangerous environments. So that is hazardous material handling. This is truly regulated by OSHA to protect the worker from exposure to dangerous chemical and substance. Worker who handle in chemical material like asbestos, solvent, and dangerous chemical need to receive the specialized practice to avoid the accidents, spills, poisoning, and long-term illness such as like cancer and neurological damage. So this training is essential to preventing a chemical-related injuries or illness and ensuring safe practice are followed or at all the time to the workers. So my conclusions. OSHA has played a pivotal role in significantly reducing injuries and fatalities on construction sites through its comprehensive approach, which includes the establishment of strict safety regulations, providing training, and conducting regular inspections. These efforts have created a safer work environment and have been instrumental in decreasing the risk associated because this thing will make more the construction more safety, and the injuries and fatalities can be decreased. Last but not least, the impact of OSHA on construction safety is indispensable, as its ongoing effort not only improve worker safety but also reduce risk and contribute to more efficient and effective industry. So that's all from me. I hope we will see again. Thank you so much for hearing my speech. Assalamualaikum.